want to go back. He wants to go back. I want to go back to the farm. Go back far away from home, with a milk pail on my arm. I miss the rooster, the one that used to wake me up at 4 a.m. down on the farm.
I'm Scott Boehm. They call me the old farmer. Over 3 years ago, when we moved to the country, I had room to do projects such as woodworking in the garage. We went to Harbor Freight and picked up some tools such as an orbital sander and a belt sander. Some of you will remember that until I know how often I will use a tool, I will start with a DIY grade. If I know I will use it a lot, I will then go up to somewhere around pro-grade tools. The Harbor Freight orbital sander and the Chicago electric belt sander have served us well. We had a typical square vibrating palm sander that wore sandpaper out in minutes by fatiguing the paper while leaving the abrasive as good as new. As we were walking by the power tool section looking for sanders, I spotted this Drill Master angle grinder for $5. As I walked by, and without stopping, I picked one up. We already had the Bosch grinder, but for $5, a second grinder can be a good idea. I would not use it for any heavy-duty work, but for light stuff. For example, I would use the Bosch for cutting and keep a wheel on the Harbor Freight tool for deburring the sharp edges. Well, I stuck it on a shelf and completely forgot about it, using the Bosch and switching out wheels as needed. The other day, while straightening up the shop, I ran across the tool still in the box. I opened it up and saw it came with a handle that could fit either side of the grinder. It came also with a wrench to tighten and loosen the arbor nut, and believe it or not, it even came with an extra set of brushes for the motor. It also came with a wheel guard, but no wheels at all. No problem, I have a pack of wheels that will fit it. The tool has a safety slide switch that can be used momentarily or locked on. There is a locking bar for locking the arbor for wheel changes. The aluminum case looks as if it was sandcasted without any polishing. It looks something along the lines of a cheap cast iron frying pan. It seems to have the power needed to do the work. It's not heavy duty, so I wouldn't run it for a long period of time. A couple of minutes for deburring is just about right. I looked to see if Harbor Freight still sold the grinder, and it does, being on sale for about $10, higher when it's not on sale. As I told Mrs. Old Farmer Marty, for $5, it is perfect for light jobs or as a secondary grinder for the times when I need two angle grinders. If you do a lot of grinding, I would walk by and leave it on the shelf and get a heavy-duty grinder. But for a second grinder, for quick deburring jobs or for similar second grinder occasions, this might be just the ticket for you. Especially if you wait until a super coupon comes along that will take it down to around the $5 price. Well, this is the old farmer Scott Boehm. Be well.